Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Today I have a special for you. I just received the Nreal Light Augmented Reality headset and in this video we will do an unboxing and a first impression. So I will put it on my head, how it feels, how the quality is, what's inside the package of course. And I would want to thank the Deutsche Telekom that they sent it to me so that I can try it. I'm in a project with them. Over the next weeks I will do some cool stuff with the Nreal Light, and after that I will do a review, and that's gonna be really interesting. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel thanks to my sponsors VoodooDE VR, Opperman Events, Peter Wasmeyer, Virtual Escape and Adams Group. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, and here we are at the unboxing. The box is really small from the Nreal Light. Look at this, it's just this one. And it says Nreal Light model NR-9101GGL, Matrix Reality Technology. Wow. Contents, nose pads, lens frame, VR cover, cleaning clothes, Nreal Light clip and glasses case. Yeah. So let's unbox it. On the other side it looks really cool here with the reflecting, and we have to do it like this here. Here we go, and there's nothing inside here. So guys, here we are, and there's a cool small case here with the Nreal Light inside. We put it on the side now, put it here, and then we have a small case here for the cleaning clothes. Then we have a QR code to install the app, a quick start in English, in German, and a warranty guide. That's interesting. So for the quick start, we see what's included here, how we can connect the nose parts, the app again, and how to connect it to the smartphone. I will report about this in my review, of course. We will see that later then. And yeah, now there is another part here inside. Look at this. Here we have the VR lens cover. We just put it over the Nreal, and then we have the VR mode. Here is something I'm not sure it's just lenses. Perhaps we can put them on the other lenses, a protection. I don't know. I will see that in the review then, what that is. And then we have 4 nose parts. One I already installed, and we have 3 other nose parts. Depends on your nose shape, I think, what you can use. That's pretty cool. Put it here back. And now we have the Nreal Light case here. And that's pretty cool. Look at this. Let's open it. And here it is, here it is. It's so cool. Let's put it on the side. The cover is really good quality, and here's also a Velcro strap, I think for the cable or whatever. Let's put it on the side. And here we are. There's a cover. Oh, we can just remove it here. Don't need that. And here it is, guys. Here it is. It comes with a cable here with USB-C, as you can see. And here it is. Wow. I can already tell you it feels really good, feels like good quality. It's a little bit heavier than I thought. And yeah, you can see cameras here, 1, 2, 3, perhaps 4. A lot of cameras here, good quality lenses as it seems. Everything is from metal, that's no plastic here. Really great. And from the bottom here, there's a button here. I think it's the switch on button. We have 2 speakers here and there, and nothing else on this side. Here it says Nreal. On the other side also Nreal. On the top there's also nothing, only 1 button here. And here we can see there's a sensor or another camera here. I will talk about this in the review. I already attached the nose part here. You can just unmount it here and put it there, and the lenses are covered here with some plastics. And yeah, let's put it on now. Look at this. It's it looks so cool. It feels a little bit heavier than the normal glasses, but it pushes a little bit on my nose. But I will tell you in my review how it's when I play hours with that. I can already tell you and guess that the field of view is pretty small here. Also, yeah, we will see if what we can play with that. It looks cool, right? And it just looks like a normal sunglasses, so cool. So I can wear it outside perhaps, only the cable is a little bit strange there. So guys, yeah, that's it. I have no idea when I will show you the review. Not in the next days, because I'm there and working with the German Telekom, and they will do some cool stuff. And not everything is ready. I also get a smartphone for that, and it will take 2 or 3 weeks to do a review, I think, because I want to work with them. I want to check everything out, all the apps and what I can do with the VR mode and stuff. So expect a review in the upcoming weeks. I will take time for that, and I hope this is cool because I really love augmented reality. And yeah, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, do it now so you don't miss the review. And just tell me what you want me to test, of course, in the review, and then I can do that as well. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE